Hey guys, it's Kaimana and
Kane.
so we just finished unboxing the 24 packs of cards in that gigantic $100 Garbage Pail Chrome Series 5 box. So as you can see, we have a bunch of cards, but we're going to be starting off by the special cards that we opened from the books.
Yep, so we'll start with these. This one came from the book package, this set of 3 books. A little bit clear. The original Atom Bomb, if you have the original one from 1986 of this, I'll buy it from you for $5. It's worth a lot. I think it's like $20,000, depending on the condition.
$20,000, he means $5.
And then the author of those books, they're really funny. According to my son, R.L. Stein, but in this one, R.L. Slime. What did you think of the books?
It's really funny, and I guess you guys should really read it. It's really funny, it's really entertaining, and I don't know what else to say.
Okay, so good. So you got a couple of stickers. You got the storybook sticker, the pet show, another storybook sticker, Camp Days, Thrills and Chills, and Welcome to Smellville. Those are the names of the 3 books. So let's go over here to Kailani's books, or her cards. She's got a lot of cool cards. Now, there's a lot of things about these cards that I'm a little bit unsure of. I don't know why. Some of them have, like you can see, this a little bit rainbow edges, and it's just reflective edges, and others don't. We don't know why. I guess we got to dig into the series a little bit more. I know some people say, oh, it's just the light. It's not. There's different ones that have them.
And just an FYI, the Series 5 cards, they're really goreful.
Some of them are.
Yeah.
So say this is a dentist. Love this one, Toothy Ruthie. But let's start with Kailani. What's your favorite? What's your favorite card so far?
This one.
This one is
Starchy
Archie. It's the Pillsbury Doughboy. But yeah, there's a lot of them with different names. I know this one we're going to pay attention to is Johnny One Note. This is kind of strange because usually the Garbage Pail Kids only have 2, like the same card but with 2 different names. But Kaimana actually has 2 more. Let's see those real quick. The Johnny One Note and where is it? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh, right here.
Right here. Gassy Massey, I think that's how
Yes,
you pronounce
Massey
it.
and Wendy Winston. It's interesting because these are 3 different names and I don't see reflective edge on it, so I'm not sure what the difference is.
I guess it's just the beginning.
All right, so yeah, they got some great stuff. You got Kit Spit, and this is playing homage to my buddy Kit Cope, former UFC fighter out in Vegas. You got a lot of different ones, a lot of funky names. This is a little bit more violent than I remember from when I was a kid back in the mid-'80s. It's like a little spin-off the Atom Bomb ones. Ultraviolet. And these funny names.
Iron Jaw Aaron.
Yep. This one is Fran Footer.
Although these cards are really goreful, they're still pretty funny.
Oh, so this is Fried Franklin, and you got the other one. What's it called, dude?
Ben Bolt.
So, homage to Ben Franklin. That's pretty funny. History lesson for you kids. That's what he really looked like when he was trying to conduct some electricity from his kite. Slade.
It's just another happy accident.
Top Matt. It's a Monopoly dude. And this one, again, some of them have different backgrounds. We're not sure. This one's like a gold background. And I believe, Kaimana, you got a purple background on one of the Garbage Pail Kids.
Yeah, the
On this one.
Zeke Freak, I believe.
Yeah, so again, we got to discover what's special. Maybe just because they're quasi-rare than the other ones. See, this one's...
Spy code.
Yeah, maybe something. And you can see, here's the 2 cards, the same one, the same name. The Nasty Nancy. And holding right by each other, it's rainbow, and this one's not. So very interesting still.
Mystery.
So far. Until we go online later.
Yet. Period.
I'm just going to go through all the rest of Kailani's cards. Again, they each split up. There's, was it 24 packs?
Mm-hmm.
And each got 12, and they just mixed them up. Some of them have some doubles, and then we're gonna go over there. So let's see. Tad, this mucus. It's funny, we've seen a couple of bats now. I guess paying homage to COVID and its origins, or the fake origins. All right, Kaimana, let's go see yours. Kaimana, did you like these?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that one still your favorite?
Yeah.
Okay. A Garbage Pail Kid's nasty and disgusting.
Yeah.
I mean, disgusting.
Mm-hmm.
But do you like it? Okay.
So I can't decide my favorite card between Ben Bolt and Sprayed Wade. Both of them are really funny, but I think my favorite right now is Sprayed Wade because he just looks so calm with all that graffiti over him.
All right, let's take a look at these. Remember, these are the two. It's the first time we've seen 3 of the same card, but with different names. Figure out what that is. That's that one, Delicate Tess. Connie Sewer, ew. Let's go over here. Which one's this? Fluoride Void. Blue Boy George. This is weird.
I don't understand.
Yeah, that's an 80s reference on. Go up to these. And again, some of the same names. Glossy Flossie and Silver Tooth Ruthie. Diaper Dan and Pinned Penny. There's Dental Flossie again. Some pretty crazy stuff.
Cracked Craig.
What is this one? Oh, right over here.
Super Slade.
A lot of funky ones. If we missed any right up the middle, hold on. Great Halloween costume ideas now.
Inspirational.
Oh, Hot Rod and Bud Buggy. It's Professor Rod from Jiu Jitsu. Yeah, a lot of different names than we had this in the original series. Yeah, it's pretty cool stuff.
Pretty cool.
So what do you guys think? Did it turn out pretty good?
Yeah, it turned out really good.
Yeah.
So
now we got to put these away?
the worst part.
No, but it's fun because you get to look at them again, right? Yeah.
So I guess I'll see you soon. So bye-bye.
All right, stay tuned for the next unboxing.